Hello, students. Good morning. Hope you all are fine. So, today we are going to discuss the topic chemical reaction. First of all, we have to understand what do you mean by chemical reaction? The change that is chemical in nature, in which a new substance is formed from the reactants, is called chemical reaction. So our first question is, which of the following is a chemical change? Option number A, that is melting of ice. Melting of ice to form liquid water can be reversed on decreasing the temperature. So melting of ice is a physical change. And second option, cutting paper into pieces is also a kind of physical change, because nothing new is formed. And option number C, that is dissolving sugar in water, is also a kind of physical change. Whereas option number D, that is burning of wood, that will convert the wood will convert into ash, is a chemical change. So answer of first question is option D. Our second question, the reaction in which a compound breaks down into simpler substances by heating is called. ऐसी रिएक्शन जिसमें एक सब्सटेंस डिवाइड हो रहा है दो या दो से ज़्यादा सब्सटेंसेस में, उसको हम कहेंगे डीकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन, एंड इट इज़ ऑफ 3 टाइप्स. Whereas combination reaction, in which two reactants combine to form a single product. So answer of second question is option B. Next question, which of the following is an example of combination reaction? This is in this reaction two reactants will be needed and a single product is formed. So rusting of iron, the reaction involved is Fe plus H2O plus O2 will form Fe2O3 dot XH2O. This is the formula of rust. And rusting of iron is an example of chemical reaction. Answer of third question is option B. Whereas burning of magnesium ribbon will be written as Mg plus O2 will give MgO, magnesium oxide. And so answer of third question is A. Moving on to our next question, the displacement reaction involved. In displacement reaction, the word indicates that here displacement is occurring. Displacement means the position is changing, that something is displaced by any strong material. In displacement reaction, there will be no exchange of ion between the compound. No exchange of ions take place in double displacement reaction. Formation of precipitate, no. And release of gas, transfer of electrons between reactant. So according to option, we will go with option B. Okay, answer of fourth question is B. Next question is, what type of reaction occurs when a more reactive metal displaces a less reactive metal from its salt solution? Is a displacement reaction, in which a high reactive element replaces or displaces less reactive metal from its solution. In the next question, the reaction between an acid and a base to form salt and water is known as neutralization reaction. Because acid is so answer of question number 6 is C. Next question, which of the following is a characteristic of chemical reaction? That is, in a chemical reaction, change in color is observed, temperature can change, gas can evolve. So answer will be option D. Our next question is, the number of atoms on both the sides of a balanced chemical equation must be equal. For a balanced chemical equation, the number of atoms on both the sides should be equal. Our next question is, which of the following is not a sign of chemical reaction? Not a sign. So formation of precipitate can be observed in a chemical reaction. Change in state can be easily observed. Change in odor, that means smell, can be seen. But change in temperature is also a characteristic of chemical reaction, but it is asked that which of the following is not a sign. That is option D, no change in temperature. Our next question is, in a redox reaction, which species is reduced? The reactant that gain electron, the reactant that lose electron, the product that gain electron, the product that lose electron. So in the redox reaction, it is asked that which species is reduced. Reduce word is from the reduction, and in reduction reaction the substance that lose oxygen or gain hydrogen. Gain of hydrogen means loss of electron from the reactant side, because reduction and oxidation both occurs only with the reactant side, not on product side. So answer of 10th question is B, the reactant that lose electron is called reduced element. Our next question is, which of the following is an example of combustion reaction? In combustion reaction, combustion means burning of something that will produce heat and light. So answer of 11th question is burning of candle is an example of combustion reaction. In next question, the balanced chemical equation. The balanced chemical equation represent the physical state of the balanced chemical equation represent the it will represent the physical and physical state of reactant and product. Question number 13, which of the following is an example of precipitation reaction? The reaction in which precipitate is formed in the base of the container. So the reaction will be mixing of sodium chloride with silver nitrate. This is an example of double displacement reaction, and in double displacement reaction there is also the formation of precipitate. Our next question, which of the following is a decomposition reaction? In the decomposition reaction, something is broken down into many pieces. So reaction of acid and base is not a decomposition reaction. Burning of candle, formation of rust, yes. No, formation of rust भी नहीं होगा. Decomposition of hydrogen peroxide into water and oxygen. हाइड्रोजन पेरोक्साइड से क्या क्या मिल रहा है हमें, वाटर और ऑक्सीजन. सो इट इज़ अ काइंड ऑफ डिकम्पोजिशन रिएक्शन. Our next question, which of the following is a double displacement reaction? डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन कौन सी होगी? दैट इज रिएक्शन ऑफ एन एसिड एंड अ बेस. Exchange of ion will form water and salt. So answer of 15th question is option C. Our next question is, the reactants in a chemical reaction are written on the left side of the chemical reaction. Our next question is, which of the following is not a product of reaction between acid and a metal? Acid and metal reacts to form hydrogen gas, salt, sometimes water, but not oxygen gas. So answer of 17th will be C. It is asked that which of the following is not a product. So answer will be oxygen gas. Our next question, which of the following is a balanced chemical equation? And balanced chemical equation is such an equation in which the number of atoms on reactant side are equal to the number of atoms of product side. So the correct reaction is written in option C. H2 plus O2 will give H2O2. In the reactant side, number of hydrogen atom is 2, same as product side. And oxygen, number of oxygen atom is also 2, which is also same. Our next question is, the substance that undergoes a chemical reaction are called reactants. Answer of 19th is option B. Our next question is, in a chemical reaction, the total mass of a product will be equal to the total mass of reactants. Our next question is, a precipitation reaction involves the formation of precipitate which is solid in nature. So answer of 21st is B. In the next question, which of the following is an example of exothermic reaction? Exothermic reaction is such a reaction in which heat is evolved. So burning of candle is an example of exothermic reaction. Our next question is, the reactant that remains after a chemical reaction is called excess reactant. That means the reactant which is large in quantity, that will be excess reactant. Next question is, which of the following is an example of synthesis reaction? Synthesis reaction is such a reaction in which something new is formed. That means formation of ammonia from nitrogen and hydrogen. Our next question is, which of the following statement is true about a catalyst? Catalyst is something, that substance which change the rate of reaction. Sometime it can increase the rate of reaction, or sometime it decreases the rate of reaction. But in general, we talk about increase in the rate of chemical reaction. So answer of 25th question is first A, but it can also decrease the rate of reaction. Our next question is, the substance that speed up a chemical reaction without being consumed in a process is called catalyst. Our next question is, the type of reaction in which a compound react with oxygen to form heat and light is a type of combustion reaction. Our next question is, which of the following is an example of reversible reaction? Reversible reaction means which can be reversed. So burning of paper cannot be reversed. Formation of rust cannot be reversed. Dissolve sugar in water is a physical change and it can be reversible. In the next question, it is asked that the chemical formula of a substance is represented by a chemical symbol. Our next question, which of the following is not a product of reaction between acid and a base? Acid and a base react to form salt, water, but not the oxygen gas. So answer of 30th question is C. Our next question is, a decomposition reaction involves the division of a single substance into two or more substances, but in all the three options it is said that formation of a solid, liquid and a gas, there is nothing is So answer of this question will be none of the above. Our next question is, which of the following is an example of redox reaction? Redox reaction is such a reaction in which both reduction and oxidation take place. So answer of this question is mixing of sodium chloride and sodium nitrate. Our next question is, the type of reaction in which oxidation reaction of an element increases. The type of reaction in which oxidation state of an element increases is called oxidation reaction. 34 question, which of the following is a product of a reaction between acid and a metal carbonate? When acid and a metal carbonate react, it will form carbon dioxide, metal carbonates are basic in nature, and when acid react with metal carbonate, that is base, it will form salt and water as well as CO2. So salt, water and CO2 will be formed. So there is some mistake in the question. So next question is, the process of balancing of a chemical equation involves adjusting the coefficient. So answer of 35th question is option A. Our next question is, which of the following is not a characteristic of a chemical change? That is, they are not a in this question it is asked that which of the following is not a characteristic, that is change in energy. We do not discuss about the change in energy here. So next question is, the reaction that is completely consumed, the reactant that is completely consumed in a chemical reaction is called limiting reactant. In the next question, so leave this question of a spontaneous reaction. Our next question is, the rate of a reaction can be increased by increasing the temperature, increasing the concentration of reactant, increasing the surface area of reactant. So the answer of 39 question is option C, increasing the surface area of reactant. In the next question, the type of reaction in which two or more substances combine to form a new substance, that is combination reaction. In the 41 question, it is asked that the symbol is read as. So the answer of this question, that is yield or produce. So answer of 41 question is B, that will produce. When A react with B, it will produce C and D. In the next question, which of the following is an example of combustion reaction? Combustion reaction, something is burning, that is burning of wood. And the next question, the reaction in which energy is absorbed from the surrounding is endothermic reaction, and temperature decreases during endothermic reaction. This question is discussed above. And next 45th question, the law of conservation of mass states that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed in a chemical reaction. So answer of 45th question is C. Mass remains constant in a chemical reaction. Mass can neither be created nor be destroyed. And our next question, which of the following is not a factor that will affect the rate of chemical reaction? That will not affect, that is pressure. So later we will discuss the rest of questions of this topic.